Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Zorara Roblox Executor. First, you will need to temporarily disable your antivirus software, as it might flag the executor. Next, download the Zorara zip file from its official website and extract its contents to a new folder. Finally, launch the Zorara UI. exe file and follow the prompts to get your 24-hour activation key, which helps maintain the tool's integrity. Zorara boasts an intuitive and user-friendly interface, making navigation straightforward for everyone. You can explore a vast, built-in script library to enhance your gameplay or easily upload and execute your own personalized Lua scripts. This powerful tool also features rapid script injection, ensuring quick and flawless loading, along with advanced anti-detection mechanisms to help provide a secure experience. To begin scripting, first open Roblox and join any game you wish to play. Then, bring the Zorara Executor to the front and click the Inject button to connect it to the Roblox game process. Once injected, simply paste your chosen Lua script into the Executor's designated area. Finally, click the Execute button, and your script will run seamlessly within the game, modifying your experience. For your safety, always download Zorara Executor exclusively from its official website to prevent installing malicious software. Be aware that some antivirus programs might flag the executor as a false positive due to its nature of modifying game memory. Remember to use Zorara responsibly and ethically, always adhering to Roblox's terms of service to ensure a positive and secure experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.